Gold yesterday has moved close to 3200 levels, the levels which we had been predicting since long that gold has to at least move towards 3200 levels. Hitting 3200, close to 3200, 3202, it has bounced back sharp and now trading at 3250 levels, while silver is also bounced back sharp from 3165. What to expect today from gold and silver? Big day today. We have the NFP data coming in before the US session that is also going to add on to the volatility, but that will be discussed with the next update before the NFP data and before the US session. Till then, what to expect from gold and silver? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update. The next update, as I shared, is going to release before the NFP data, before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly charts, you can see this drop, sideways movement, then a breakout. The drop here was bigger. The drop here is bit smaller. Now only reversal confirmation is if you see gold trading beyond 3300 3320 zone, then we can say now this is the time for us to stay bullish in gold. Else what is happening? It is retracing. Now see how it is trading. It is trading in this bullish channel here, and there is a strong possibility that it may try to move towards the next resistance zone at 3260-70, which is definitely going to offer a greater resistance, and in fact 3280. And this zone today is going to remain the greater resistance zone for the day. If at all it stays beyond 3280, we can expect it to move towards 3288 and then 3300. Beyond 3300 is where aggressive bullishness will be seen, and then 33 16 20 will be seen. But I will say it is definitely going to be difficult for gold to break beyond 33 16 33 20 zone, and those are the levels from where possibly a reversal can be expected. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has shown a reversal sign. Since then it is rising and it is continuously delivering higher lows, higher highs. The next destination is going to be somewhere here, that is 3260 3280 zone, which is very easily achievable. Now remember, the support earlier is going to be the resistance. See this multiple candles struggle at 3280, then 3270, 65, 60 zone, and this zone is going to be the greatest resistance for the day. First, yes, it may try to move back within this zone, and at that point we will see how it behaves. Now see, after every drop obviously it has to retrace, and this was a bigger drop, so it could retrace big. How far? It can fall back within this zone, that is 3260, 3280, very much possible. If you see the stock, I think this is overbought. The MACD also has crossed over here at the bottom, which is a good sign for a little reversal and a rise. The RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, after consolidating here and finding the support from 32 3220, it is trying to reverse, and today again it has shown good strength on the upside. Now we can expect possibly gold to move towards this zone, which is achievable very much, and hence you can buy here at 3252 levels itself. Expect it to move towards 3260, 65, 70, and then 3278, 80. Very good resistance till then, and then I will look forward to 3288. If this level is also taken, then you can expect 3300. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy. The RSI is rising, signs are supportive for further bullishness. And on the 4 hour chart, see reversal sign, straight bullishness here. Third bullish candle is going to be there. And this is certain that it might gonna move towards 3260, 65, 70 zone. And in fact, 3280 is possible here. But I will say it is going to be difficult for it to break or stay above 3280, 88 and 3300 zone. This is the zone which is going to offer maximum resistance to gold. Now why so? See, first the drop, then the sideways movement. Now it is still trading like this. Now trading like this means the lows are wide open here. So till NFP it might try to move towards the highs here, where possibility of a move towards 3270, 80 is there, and at those levels or from those levels the reversal can be seen. The stochastic rising, the MACD is sharply bearish. It is trying to converge, let it cross over. The RSI is rising. Coming to daily. Now see, on the daily charts, one possibility is we have seen a dip here drop, and see this is still trading like this, and thus I will say we can still see the downside is wide open here. How low? The possibilities of 3150, 3100 is there, but it is definitely going to take a little more time before it moves towards those levels. Second thing is it has started the day with the tail, and look at the lower highs. What were the highs yesterday? These were somewhere here at around 32, 80, 85. And that is why I say first possibility definitely there that gold is going to hit 32, 60, 70, or in fact 80, 85 zone. But staying above this zone is definitely going to be difficult for gold, and as long as it respects the lower highs here, you should not be treating gold as bullish here. It has to break beyond 3300, 3320 zone in order to confirm a reversal. As long as 3300, 3320 is not taken, do not treat this as bullish. That is pretty clear. Now if you track the movement for last some time, you can find every rise offsets with a retracement, rise and the retracement, bigger rise and a bigger retracement. Now, the lows here are far below the 50 period moving average, which is sitting at around 3150 levels. Right now, it is trying to bounce back right from the 20 period moving average itself. And I say this is going to be difficult today if and only if gold trades below 3280, 3300, and then in fact it breaches 3320, you can say it is turning bullish, else it is still not to be treated bullish. The stochastic at bottom, the MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, is staying bearish. The candle sizes are consistently increasing. This suggests increasing bearishness here. The RSI has dropped as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 32nd mentorship batch, which starts on 5th of May. Only couple of seats are available. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. In this batch, we will gonna share everything right from the basics to the advanced strategies which can help you identify profitable trades with ease and help you trade profitably. Thus, join today, connect with me for your queries, and if you are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And yes, if you just want to trade as per the signals, capturing hundreds of pips and points every day, trading gold and silver, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. For your queries, you can connect with me via Telegram or email. The links are there in the channel and video description. Now let's move to, so first thing is where to buy. I have mentioned here you can stay bullish from 3250 levels. Already see we have seen a good rise. I'll expect 3258, 60 first target zone, 3268, 67, 68 the second target zone. Then beyond that 32 78, 80 should appear. If at all it stays beyond 32 78, 80, then also the nearest resistance is at 32 85. Once it trades beyond 32 85, bullishness will increase. You can expect 32 92 and 3300. Now as I shared, till 3300 you have to be cautious, and in fact till 3320 do not trade this for a bullish reversal. Only bullishness in gold if you see it is staying beyond 3320 level. On the downside, where you should take a sell, I will only now recommend you to sell at 32 44 42 levels. Expect 32 36 35 as the first target zone. If that is taken, then you can see 32 28 26 as the next, and then 32 18 20 as the third. If 32 18 20 levels are taken, you can stay short for possibly a move towards 32 08 and 3200 levels. Below 3200 it is not going to come back up. Below 3200 we are going to see 3175, 3150 and 3140 levels as well. Yes, these are markets. If it can rise sharp, it can correct sharp as well. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts. See, it is opened on a bullish note with a slight gap, and it is consistently delivering higher highs. Now it has come down to the next resistance zone at 3280, or it should try to move towards 3280. 3280, 33 is going to offer a maximum resistance for silver today. Any move beyond 3280, 33 is a great clear sign of bullishness here. Notice lower lows are there, lower highs are there. The high still towards 33 is going to remain a greater resistance zone, and if it trades beyond 33 20 levels, I think we will look forward to a move towards 3350 levels, and breaking beyond 3350 is where the bulls are waiting. Chances appears to be less here. Moving averages are convergent. Stochastic is overbought while the MACD has crossed over at the bottom, and it is trading with bullishness trying to rise. RSI rising as well. Coming to 2 hour chart, on the 2 hour charts, now 20 period is a good support, so only selling entry now in silver is below 3240 levels, and till towards 32 you have to be watchful. Till towards 32 you should not be treating this as bullish. Now after the drop, what could happen here? See the drop here, and I will say till 3280 you have to watch out. It could reverse and stay in this box, and then once it breaks out here on the downside below 32, it is again going to deliver a massive move. The stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over at the bottom, which is a very good sign for the bulls. It is trading with divergence. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, straight bullishness, increasing body size, increasingly bullish candle. Till 3280 you need to be cautious. Do not treat this as bullish. Beyond 3280 and then 33 is where the bulls are waiting. Notice how it has traded so far. The drop, the retracement, the bigger drop could retrace big as well, where the prices could move all the way towards 33. And now 33, 3320 is you should watch out for, because if it trades above this, we are looking forward to 33, 50, 60, and in fact $34 levels, and then 35 as well. But I will say such a strong move requires a stronger will here. Right now I can see that will missing. Right now I do not see that silver is breaking beyond 34. But yes, these are markets. Once it gains the momentum, and today the NFP data might add on to the momentum. Stochastic crossing at the bottom, MACD crossing over at the bottom, looking upwards, good sign for the bulls. The RSI is rising here. On the 4 hour charts, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. It was trading with divergence. It has converged here. 3280 is the zone you should watch out for, and then 33 should appear. Beyond 33 is where the bulls are waiting. You can expect 3320. But what I can see here is the drop, the retracement, and now from here, if it stays below 3240, we are again looking forward to lower lows here. Lower lows means we can expect it to trade below 32. We can expect it to trade below 3170, 80 and lower levels as well. Stochastic is rising here. See MACD after a retracement crossing over here, which is a very good sign for the bulls, and the RSI is rising. Coming to daily chart. Now see on the daily charts, first of all, what a great swing we have seen here. Here you can find out 3370, here you can find out 3170. Now the median is 3270 levels, and thus it is very important for silver to break beyond 3270 and 80, which will confirm the next move all the way towards 33. And if at all it trades above 3320, that is the point of time you can confirm that it is reversing. Else do not trade this as bullish. 3 straight bearish candle, 20 period offering it a good resistance. Once it stays beyond 3270, 80, that is the lower price above 3270, 80, you can expect further bullishness here. If you see the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is trying to cross over. This is a bearish cross here. It can keep the prices lower. Let's wait for this crossover and a divergence here, and the RSI is flat. So considering this, now I'll recommend you to buy here at 3270 levels. Expect 3290, 33 as the first target zone. Or I will say if you're buying at 3270, possibly we can look forward to $33 levels as the first targets. And then 33, say 3310, 33 is a greater resistance zone for the day. If it stays beyond this, again you can expect 3350, 3360 zone, and if that is also taken, then 34, 3450, $35 levels are going to be the next targets. But this is the case when we are looking forward to a bullish breakout on the upside. And if it does trade on the downside, you can sell here at 3240 levels itself. Below 3240, expect it to get support at 3220 and $32 levels. Below 32, it is going to deliver a massive blow towards 3170, 80 and then towards 3140, $31 levels here. Now such a stronger move, I hardly expect that it is going to happen today, but yes, if it closes the day on the bottom here, the coming week it might continue with that momentum for a while. So take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the NFP data release, before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.